Dear students, in continuation to the last lecture, which I didn't finish because we have, in point, as a matter of fact, we have four sufferings. I gave you in the last lecture three suffering. Now, what about the fourth suffering? The fourth suffering is that which is almost opposite of the last suffering. In the last suffering, you remember we mentioned that the word city, the word busy, the word women, the word pretty, the word village. Here we have different letters, but they are pronounced in the same way. So city, busy, women, pretty, village, we list them as when we talk about when we talk about the sound, the vowel sound we can mention these different words with different letters as a representation or as examples of the sound what this vowel sound, which is a short vowel sound, as I will clarify to you later on. Now, what about the fourth suffering? The fourth suffering is opposite of the third suffering. What is the in what sense? In the sense that here, let me write it. We have the same letter but it is pronounced O-U-N-C-E-D, but it is pronounced differently. As in the words, as in the words B A sorry word B A N A N A, as in the word BATHER, as in the word MAN, and then the word MANY. Right. In these words, we have an opposite situation of the situation that we have it in the third suffering. What is the suffering here? The suffering here, as we can see that in the word banana, the banana, see the word banana, in the word banana, the letter A after the letter what B, I mean the first letter A, and is pronounced B, B, E, E. This is schwa. And the second A after N, it is a long vowel, bana, ah. So you see now how the same letter is pronounced differently. This is more more clear when we compare it with the word bather, which here the a is pronounced differently from the sound in banana. Here we say bather, a diphthong. Here we have diphthong, bather. And then this is also different from how we pronounce the word man, man. See, man, and then which is different from the pronunciation of the letter a in many. See, we have let me repeat myself, repeat it: banana, banana. Then we have bather, a bather. Then we have man, and then we have many, me, e. So we have the same letter. The letter a is pronounced what? Differently. Okay. So imagine that these are the sufferings that we are going, or you are going, including myself, of course. When you learn English, you have these sufferings that you are going to suffer from when you learn what? English pronunciation. So English pronunciation is really tricky. Sometimes you cannot guess. You cannot guess the the pronunciation from the letters because of the mismatch between letters and what? Sound. Here, I would say that I stop here. This is the last lecture. This lecture is a continuation to the lecture which I mentioned before. I consider it as one lecture. Next time, God willing, I am going to give you the organs of speech. The organs, you see, because how do we pronounce sound? How do we produce sound? Definitely there are what we call organs. We call them organs of speech. These organs of speech are responsible for the production of what? Of sound. Okay? Right. So I would say that thank you very much, and sorry for the defect. Because now the lecture has been divided. I consider it as one, but I hope that it is clear. I don't want to say that it is 100%. No. It's I don't mean this, but I'm in the hope that you have by now you have an idea about English pronunciation. That English pronunciation is not easy. It is difficult because of the large number of sound, 44 sound, and because of the mismatch between writing and the speech, letters and not sound. We are going to suffer. God willing, we are going to humiliate. We are going to get rid of these sufferings by more practice. So I'm repeating myself. Next time, God willing, I'm going to show you with the help or through a diagram, the organs of speech. I talk about them, and maybe I will start also. I'll give you. I'll start talking about sounds, starting with consonants. I'll give you the consonant sounds, English consonant sounds in a chart, and then I talk about vowels. Thank you very much, and I hope that we will meet next time in a classroom, which I consider it maybe more clear, more to you, because maybe now when you listen to this lecture, some ideas come to your mind, some questions come to your mind. You want to ask about them. You want to clarify them. So how do you do this when you cannot see me because it is distant teaching? God willing, we are going to meet so soon. Thank you very much, and see you next time.